Hello, to keep your SOMMER Garage door operator in good working order, all you need to do is clean the track and the chain by using something like this as a cleansing agent. Spray the track, spray the chain, wipe off all the residue, clean it all down nicely, and that will keep your SOMMER Garage door operator working for many years to come. If cleaning your operator doesn't work, you may need to replace some components. We have a service kit available which you can get from your local garage door installer, or contact us on www.sommeruk.com. Thank you.